Today I am reviewing AUREAPIX 4K digital camera. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Welcome to this in-depth review of the AUREAPIX 4K digital camera DC103, the ultimate vlogging and photography camera for 2025. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, traveler, or someone who loves capturing life's moments, this camera packs features that make it stand out in the crowded market of compact digital cameras. Today, we'll explore its design, performance, versatility, and why it's an excellent choice for photography and video creation. Let's start with image quality and video performance. The AUREAPIX DC103 features a latest generation CMOS sensor capable of producing stunning 64-megapixel photos and 4K Ultra HD videos. This means your images and videos are incredibly detailed, vibrant, and professional-looking. The camera also comes with a built-in flash, allowing you to capture high-quality photos even in low-light conditions, making it ideal for indoor photography, night scenes, or dimly lit environments. Plus, the autofocus system is fast and accurate, ensuring that your subject is always sharp, whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or tricky lighting conditions. One of the standout features of this camera is its built-in Wi-Fi. With the Wi-Fi connectivity and the companion ViPulse app, you can quickly transfer photos and videos to your smartphone, tablet, or directly to social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. This makes sharing your adventures or content extremely convenient, eliminating the need for complicated cables or memory card readers. Additionally, the camera comes with 16x digital zoom, allowing you to zoom in or out effortlessly during recording or photography using the W/T zoom buttons. For content creators, vloggers, and live streamers, this camera shines thanks to its webcam and self-vlogging features. The built-in microphone captures clear audio for videos, and the 3-inch 180 degrees flip LCD screen makes framing shots and taking selfies or vlogs effortless. Whether you're recording tutorials, creating YouTube videos, or attending virtual classes, this camera adapts perfectly to your needs. It's designed to be user-friendly for teenagers, beginners, students, and amateurs, so you don't need years of experience to get professional-looking results. Another great advantage is the camera's long-lasting battery life. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries and a convenient charging stand, allowing you to charge a spare battery while using the other one. This is perfect for extended shooting sessions, whether you're traveling, hiking, camping, or vlogging all day. The camera is compact, lightweight, and durable, weighing just over 1 pound, making it highly portable for on-the-go photography and video recording. The AUREAPIX DC103 also comes packed with versatile shooting features. It supports anti-shake stabilization, continuous shooting, time-lapse recording, slow motion, motion detection, self-timer, pause function, and date stamping, making it ideal for a variety of indoor and outdoor scenarios. From capturing fast-moving subjects to creating cinematic videos, this camera gives you the flexibility to experiment and express your creativity fully. In terms of design, the camera is sleek and compact, with a professional black finish. It's compatible with standard 1/4-inch tripods, adding extra stability for long exposure shots, vlogs, or YouTube content. The controls are intuitive, so you can quickly switch between photography, video recording, and webcam modes. Additionally, a dedicated support team is available 24/7 to help with any questions or technical issues, ensuring a smooth, worry-free experience. In conclusion, the AUREAPIX 4K digital camera DC103 is a versatile, powerful, and beginner-friendly camera that meets the needs of modern content creators, travelers, and photography enthusiasts. With 64MP image quality, 4K video recording, built-in Wi-Fi, 16x digital zoom, flip screen for vlogging, long battery life, and a wide range of shooting modes, it's perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos anytime, anywhere. Whether you're creating YouTube content, documenting your travels, recording tutorials, or simply capturing memories, this camera provides the performance, convenience, and reliability you need. The AUREAPIX DC103 truly combines portability, creativity, and professional quality results in one compact package, making it one of the best vlogging cameras for 2025.